Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, find storage. So right over here. Then I'm going to select this drop down, select SD card. Now for me, before I do anything, I'm going to quickly just show you. I inserted my SIM card and it's giving me this message right here, issue with SD card, tap to fix. This will force me to format it, which is basically the same thing that I'll show you. But before I can actually show you how to access it, I'm already on it. So let's just flip between, set up. So I just have some bunch of problems with this SD card apparently. Hopefully I can still show you the entire process. Let's see. So in here you can, well, normally you should have an option to open it up either through Google Files or some other thing, and then you'll have a 3-dot option where you can select storage settings, and in there you'll find format. So you can do it that way. Now unfortunately I am unable to show you this just because it's giving me some kind of problems with my card. So I'll have to just describe it to you, I guess. Now anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you didn't, well, I'm sorry. But if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.